What's the meaning of Arlington National Cemetery? Arlington National Cemetery. Arlington National Cemetery.
Arlington National Cemetery. Arlington National Cemetery. Arlington National Cemetery is a United States military cemetery in Arlington County, Virginia. It was established during the American Civil War on the grounds of Arlington House, formerly the estate of the family of Confederate General Robert E. Lee's wife Mary Anna Custis Lee. The cemetery is the final resting place for more than 400,000 active duty service members, veterans, and their families. It is also the site of many memorials, including the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier and the Space Shuttle Challenger Memorial.